Welcome to Infinity Tech. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most secretive advanced manufacturing. Every revolutionary machine begins as an idea, long before it ever touches the sea. Nature often provides the most efficient blueprint for advanced underwater engineering. Thousands of virtual tests reduce risk before the first physical component is ever produced. Lightweight strength is the foundation of every long-endurance underwater vehicle. Once every design is approved, precision manufacturing can finally begin. Every millimeter of composite material directly affects underwater performance and durability. Precision begins long before the first structural panel is formed. The transformation from raw materials to an advanced underwater machine is about to begin.
Every layer of composite material is placed with microscopic precision, creating the foundation of an underwater vehicle built to withstand immense ocean pressure.
Vacuum infusion removes trapped air, ensuring maximum strength with minimum weight. Even the smallest air pocket could compromise the integrity of the finished hull. Heat and pressure transform delicate carbon fibers into an incredibly rigid composite structure. The first glimpse of the vehicle reveals months of engineering transformed into reality. Precision machining ensures every component will fit perfectly during final assembly. Advanced inspection technology verifies that every curve performs exactly as engineers intended. With the outer shell complete, attention now turns to the hidden internal framework that gives the vehicle its strength and purpose. Micron-level accuracy ensures every structural component aligns perfectly during assembly. Every weld must withstand years of pressure, vibration, and continuous underwater operation. Controlled heat restores the metal's strength, ensuring long-term structural stability. Every fraction of a millimeter matters when advanced electronics must fit inside a confined underwater vehicle. The internal framework is carefully prepared to support every mission-critical system. The perfect fit confirms months of engineering precision from design to manufacturing. With the structural backbone complete, the vehicle is finally ready to receive the intelligence that will guide it beneath the ocean. A powerful underwater machine requires more than strength. It needs intelligence hidden inside its structure. At the heart of the vehicle, advanced computing systems transform raw data into underwater decisions. Without GPS beneath the ocean's surface, precision navigation depends on highly accurate internal systems. In the deep ocean, a single imperfect seal can determine mission success or failure.
Behind the smooth exterior is a network of connections carrying information throughout the entire machine.
These electronic systems allow the vehicle to understand the silent world beneath the waves. The vehicle is no longer just a structure, it is becoming an intelligent underwater platform. With intelligence installed, the next challenge is giving this underwater machine the power to move. Movement beneath the ocean demands power, efficiency, and absolute reliability. Silent propulsion begins with perfectly balanced mechanical systems. Every propulsion component must survive an environment where pressure increases with every meter of depth. Before reaching the ocean, every critical system must prove itself in controlled conditions. Precision alignment ensures that every command from the control system becomes efficient underwater motion. For an underwater vehicle, silence can be just as important as speed.
Inspired by nature, the vehicle combines advanced engineering with the efficiency of marine movement. Inspired by nature, the vehicle combines advanced engineering with the efficiency of marine movement.
With propulsion complete, the machine is ready to receive the senses that will guide it through the underwater world. With propulsion complete, the machine is ready to receive the senses that will guide it through the underwater world.
Deep beneath the ocean surface, information is the difference between movement and uncertainty. The vehicle's ability to explore begins with sensors engineered to interpret the underwater environment. Every sensor must remain perfectly aligned to deliver accurate underwater awareness. Precision navigation allows unmanned vehicles to operate where traditional systems cannot reach. The pressure readings are stabilizing perfectly.
And the conductivity matches the simulation. Excellent work.
Even far from the surface, advanced systems must maintain reliable communication and control. After thousands of individual tests, the machine finally begins to understand its underwater environment. With its senses complete, the next challenge is providing the energy needed for long underwater missions. Far from the surface, endurance depends on one critical system: reliable energy. Underwater power systems must survive extreme pressure while maintaining constant performance.
Managing heat is essential when powerful electronics operate inside a sealed underwater vehicle.
The vehicle's energy core is positioned at the center to maintain balance and stability underwater.
A complex network of power systems transforms stored energy into controlled underwater movement.
The machine now has the energy required to leave the factory and enter the underwater world.
With power, intelligence, and movement combined, the Manta-Ray vehicle is approaching its final transformation.
The seamless outer shell protects the complex technology hidden inside.
Every external detail is designed to improve efficiency, stability, and reliability beneath the ocean.
Before entering the water, every system must prove it can operate together as one. The ocean leaves no room for weakness. Every seal must withstand the pressure of the deep. Perfect balance allows the vehicle to move efficiently through the three-dimensional ocean environment. Thousands of decisions, calculations, and inspections have created this advanced underwater platform. We are clear of the factory doors. Run the final systems check before we reach the launch zone.
Affirmative. Running diagnostics now.
After months of manufacturing, the machine finally meets the environment it was designed to explore. The first challenge is simple but critical: achieving perfect balance in the water.
Before speed and distance, the vehicle must master control beneath the waves.
At greater depths, pressure becomes the ultimate test of engineering strength.
With navigation systems active, the machine begins operating independently beneath the surface.
Efficient movement allows underwater vehicles to travel farther while using less energy.
Real missions demand reliability over hours, distance, and unpredictable ocean conditions. The ocean has tested the machine, and the next chapter will reveal what it was truly built to accomplish.
After design, manufacturing, and countless tests,
the underwater machine stands ready for its first real mission. The factory-built machine now leaves the controlled world of engineering and enters the vast ocean environment. Far from the coastline, the vehicle begins the journey it was designed for. A machine built on land begins its true existence beneath the waves.
Hidden beneath the surface, advanced engineering allows the vehicle to explore where humans cannot easily go.
Every mission generates knowledge, turning engineering innovation into real-world capability. From a digital concept to a functioning underwater machine, every detail represents years of engineering effort. And this is how a mysterious underwater machine is transformed from an engineering vision into reality.